Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for joining today's webinar on theme Rail Travel Making It Safer. As you are aware that Safety and Quality Forum of the institution has been holding webinar in the series with the support of Delhi Safe Center of the institution and other professional bodies on a subject pertaining to challenges. Can I request all the panelists to please mute their audio? A lot of sound is coming. This is the third webinar in this series. First webinar was organized on theme mitigating safety challenges in oil and gas sector, and second one was focused on construction sector. Today we are privileged of having President of the Institution of East India, Engineer Narendra Singh, who is presiding over this function. And today's program is being organized with the support of Delhi State Center and the Institution of Engineering and Technology, Delhi Local Network. We are also privileged Honorable Shri Vinod Kumar Yadav, Chairman Railway Board and ex-officio Principal Secretary to the Government of India, is the chief guest of this function, and he will be delivering keynote address, Railway Travel Making It Safer. We are also privileged to have other distinguished dignitaries for today's session. I am pleased to introduce them. R.N. Rajput, Chairman Safety and Quality Forum. Shri Dinesh Kumar, Chairman Delhi State Center. Shri Mehtab Singh, Chairman the Institution of Engineering and Technology, Delhi Local Network. Shri Pradeep Chaturvedi, Council Member of the Institution of Engineers and Chairman Interdisciplinary Coordination Committee, ICC. Shri H.R.P. Yadav, Acting Institution of Engineers India. D.C. Pandey, Mr. Jitendra Singh. Now I invite Mr. R.N. Rajput, Chairman Safety and Quality Forum, to deliver his welcome address, please.
Thank you, Parveen. Respected Shri V.K. Yadav, Chairman and CEO, Railway Board, Ministry of Railways, and Principal Secretary to the Government of India, and today's chief guest. We have our Honorable President, Shri Narendra Singh Ji, who is presiding over the function. Shri Mehtab Singh Ji, Chairman, Delhi Local Network of IET. Shri Pradeep Chaturvedi Ji, Council Member, Institution of Engineering. Shri Dinesh Kumar Ji, Chairman, Delhi State Center, and H.R.P. Yadav Sahab, congratulations today for taking over SDG also. Thank you very much, sir. Now, today, and Parveen Kumar, our Director, SPF. Today, we are very thankful to our Chairman Railway Board for sparing his valuable time and ready to give the talk on railway travel, make it safer, because railway is everybody knows that a lifeline setup of India. So it is for economic growth and to move forward, it is very important that railway sector has to move very fast way, and our chairman has taken this decision, and a lot of reforms has been taken place under his leadership. And on behalf of Delhi State Center, ISQF, IET, I welcome him to this webinar. Thank you very much, sir, for joining us. We have our president, sir. Thank you very much for sparing valuable time. On behalf of all the organizers, I welcome all. There are a lot of dignitaries who are joining to our past presidents, Institution of Engineers, member of Institution of Engineers, member of.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite Shri Dinesh Kumar, Chairman, Delhi State Center, to deliver his address, please.
Good evening to ladies and gentlemen. Our respected Shri Vinod Kumar Yadav Ji, Chairman, Railway Board, and ex-officio Principal Secretary, Government of India, the chief guest of today's function, and Shri Narendra Singh Ji, President, Institution of Engineers, Shri Mehtab Singh Ji, Chairman, IET, Delhi Network, Shri R.N. Rajput Ji, Chairman, SQF, IEI, Shri Pradeep Chaturvedi Ji, Chairman, ICC and IEI, and the Council Member of Institution of Engineers, Shri H.R.P. Yadav Ji, designated SDG of Institution of Engineers, Shri Parveen Kumar Singh Ji, past Secretary and Director SQF, and other dignitaries of the dais, and our all past chairman, past secretary, Institution of Engineer, as well as other dignitaries joining on the website. I welcome. First of all, I especially welcome Sri V.K. Yadav ji, who is available for Institution of Engineers. Whenever we requested him, he always make a time and he attended our function. I can never forget that last year when he took over as a chairman, Railway Board, I think after 4 days, on 4th January, he joined the function in our own building at IEI in Delhi. I especially have a great regard for him that being so busy on the so busy scene, and he always give time to Institution of Engineers and especially to Delhi Center. I again welcome him. I welcome our all friend and our institution president, we especially take a keen interest in Delhi State Center and developing the Institution of Engineering activity, particularly starting through Delhi State Center and headquarters Hall, Delhi. I especially welcome him also on this occasion, particularly when HRP Yadav has been designated as SDG IEI on today itself.
Thank you, sir. I invite Shri Mehtab Singh, Chairman, IIT Delhi Local Network, to deliver his address, please.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी?
हाँ, yes. Shri Vinod Kumar Yadav ji, Chairman, Railway Board and CEO Indian Railways. Shri Narendra Singh ji, President, Institution of Engineers. Shri R.N. Rajput, Chairman, Safety and Quality Forum, Institution of Engineers, and Vice Chairman, CCSA IIT. Shri Dinesh Kumar ji, Chairman, Delhi State Center, Institution of Engineers. Shri Pradeep Chaturvedi ji, Chairman, ICC, Institution of Engineers. Shri HRP Yadav ji, Designate SGG. Shri Praveen Kumar ji, Director SQF, Institution of Engineers. Esteemed members of Institution of Engineers, Institution of Engineering and Technology, other institutions, and all the esteemed participants for this webinar. I'm really thankful to him very much for this gesture of his. As far as railway is concerned, as everybody knows, railway is the lifeline of the country and common man's mode of transport. Nevertheless, the transportation in Indian Railways, with modernization and introduction of high-speed trains, I think Indian Railways is going to emerge as most preferred transport system, particularly for long-distance travel. Thus, the safety in railway assumes great significance. Indian Railways is quite unique and distinctive in character, really a microcosm of India. To make it a safe and reliable of railway system in the country 166 years ago in 1853. The remarkable feat has been achieved for the first time in the year 2019-2020. The zero railway passenger fatalities in the last 50 months are a result of Indian Railways' continuous effort to improve safety performance in all directions and all areas. I compliment Shri Yadav ji for his efforts to achieve this result. Indian Railway endurance to fight COVID-19 is another incredible accomplishment, which has been applauded all over country. And as Mr. Dinesh Kumar said, the trains were not moving during the COVID-19 lockdown, but I should say that trains were moving. The goods trains were coming to the rescue of the public by movement of goods from one part of the country to the other part of the country. So this also relates to safety of passengers and goods. Under the able leadership of the chairman and CEO, team of railway officers and staff had once again demonstrated their competence and capability to tackle the adverse situation and keep the wheel moving. Indian Railways has taken numerous steps and measures to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The conversion of large number of coaches all over the country into COVID-19 isolation wards is in a minimum time has been a remarkable contribution of Indian Railways. We are fortunate that today we have Mr. V.K. Yadav with us, and he will enlighten us with the recent developments which are taking place in Indian Railways and the advancement and Indian Railways making leaps and bounds with emphasis on safety. So I welcome him once again, and on the behalf of IIT, I welcome all the participants to this webinar. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I have great pleasure in inviting highly distinguished eminent engineer with proven professional record, Honorable President of the Institution of Engineers India, Engineer Narendra Singh Ji, to deliver his address, please.
अनम्यूट करो, अनम्यूट सर, परवीन अनम्यूट कर दो। सर आवाज नहीं आ रही, थोड़ा सा आगे पे सर। हाँ आई सर।
Owner V.K. Yadav ji, the eminent engineer from Chairman Railway Board. I am happy to welcome him today over here in this webinar. Rather, I welcome R.N. Rajput ji. I welcome Chaturvedi ji, Chairman ICC. I welcome Dinesh Kumar ji. I welcome H.R.P. Yadav ji, Mehtab Singh ji, and other eminent engineers in this webinar. I welcome everybody, listeners from the Railway Board. Today we will get something very new and how the reforms has been made by Mr. Yadav, who is my alumni and he is junior to me. I am extremely happy to see his face over here because I am much senior to him in MNIT Allahabad. He is a very good, eminent and done a lot of achievement in railway. I appreciate his working in the Railway Board. I listen to many colleagues and I become always happy when I listen about him actually. Institution of Engineers, you know, the very big organization. It is a multi-professional organization, largest body in India, having 325 corporate members and 125 chapters in India and 6 overseas chapters abroad. The Institution of Engineers is celebrating this year its centenary year, but many of our programs which were proposed, but due to this pandemic situation, difficult situation, we could not celebrate our functions in full happy and cheers. I feel that many programs which we are proposing could not perform this year. I always request to everybody, please stay home and be safe. Our social obligation is the forums. We have developed 6 forums, which is our social obligation of Institution of Engineers, through which we create the awareness programs throughout the country. These forums are located in different parts. This SQF fora, which is chaired by Shri R.N. Rajput ji, is very important fora, which gives the idea of how to maintain the safety and quality during the construction and maintenance of the infrastructures. Our social obligations are in different ways. We have created the Engineering Staff College at Hyderabad, where we provide the skill training to our continued engineers and those who are working in field. We provide the new latest technology and latest development in the country through that Staff Engineering College at Hyderabad. We also provide some skill trainings to our budding engineers. We have also developed and established one skill development fora at Simla headquarters also. We are developing forums as per demand of the public, as per requirement of the public. I wish this safety and quality fora provide every year award to the eminent industrialists in the country who create something very important for us actually. Today, the webinar is very important, and I can say Mr. Yadav is a fellow engineer and pillar of engineering fraternity. He is closely known as to me as a Munerakan, my alumni of MNIT Allahabad. He is extremely knowledgeable, humble, and meticulous. He made association with the Institution of Engineers in our curtain eraser exercise and interaction with railway industry and academia meet during last year also. I wish all the success of this webinar, and eminent lecture will be given by Shri Yadav ji only, and we can say only कि हिंदुस्तान में ये रेलवे कब आई थी, मुझे पढ़ाया गया था कभी कि 1848 में जब अपर गंगा कैनाल बन रही थी तो एक सोलानी एक्वाडक्ट बहुत ही टिपिकल स्ट्रक्चर है सोलानी रिवर के ऊपर, ये रुड़की के पास में है, उस पर मटेरियल ढोने के लिए पहला रेलवे इंजन इंस्टॉल किया गया था। वो था प्राण कलियर से रुड़की तक सोलानी एक्वाडक्ट पर मटेरियल ढोने के लिए लाया गया था। वो 12 किलोमीटर की लंबाई में था। वो हमें पढ़ाया जाता है। और प्रोवी कॉटले जो इंजीनियर नहीं थे, एक कोर्ट मास्टर थे, और उन्हें जो है ये रैंक हासिल थी कि वो अपर गंगा कैनाल जो की कंस्ट्रक्शन उन्होंने करानी थी, जिसके ऊपर उन्हें बड़ा पनिशमेंट भी हुआ था। लेकिन अपर गंगा कैनाल से इतना रेवेन्यू हुआ कि 3 साल में उसकी कोर्स जो रिवर्स हो गई थी, उन्हें वहां बुलाया गया था इंग्लैंड में, उन्हें सजा हुई थी, लेकिन वो सजा माफ कर दी गई थी ड्यू टू दिस, बिकॉज उस टाइम ही रेलवे इंजन का आविष्कार बताते हैं नॉर्थ इंडिया में, साउथ इंडिया में उससे पहला रहा होगा। अब तो बहुत सारी रेलवे चल रही हैं और बहुत अच्छे अच्छे डेवलपमेंट हो रहे हैं। मैं यादव जी को एक धन्यवाद और देना चाहता हूं। इस टिपिकल कोविड टाइम में आपने जो काम किया वो अत्यंत सराहनीय है। महोदय, हम आपसे कभी नहीं मिल पाते हैं, लेकिन हमने सुना है और देखा है आपने पीसफुली और धैर्य से किस तरह से जो हमारे देश की लेबर इंडस्ट्री छोड़ करके, शहरों को छोड़ करके गांव में पलायन कर रही थी, तब रेलवे ने कितना अच्छा रोल अदा किया है और सब लोगों को सुरक्षित रूप से घरों पर पहुंचाया है। रेलवे का ट्रैवल बहुत सेफ है। सामान ढोने के लिए या आदमियों को ढोने के लिए रेलवे से सेफेस्ट कोई नहीं है। और इंडिया का बिगेस्ट नेटवर्क रेलवे है। और मुझे खुशी है सर, आपके देखरेख में एक नई रेलवे ट्रैक हमारी 4 धाम यात्रा ऋषिकेश से कर्णप्रयाग में बन रही है, जिसके लिए मैं आपका आभारी हूँ। आप कभी आए उत्तराखंड में और यहाँ विजिट करें तो मेरे खुशी होगी कि मैं आपका यहाँ स्वागत करूँ। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू सर।
Thank you very much, sir, for the excellent address. Now, before inviting Honorable Chief Guest to deliver keynote address, I request Mr. H.R.P. Yadav, Designated SG, to introduce brief profile of Honorable Chief.
Thank you. Honorable Chief Guest of today's webinar, Shri Vinod Kumar Yadav Sahab, Chairman and CEO Railway Board and ex officio Principal Secretary to the Government of India. It's my privilege to outline his life sketch. Shri Vinod Kumar Yadav, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer Railway Board and ex officio Principal Secretary to Government of India. He is an electrical engineer belonging to 1980 batch of Indian Railway Service of Electrical Engineers. Shri Yadav holds Master's degree in Business Administration MBA Technology Management from La Trobe University, Australia, and bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from MNIT Allahabad. As our respected president just mentioned, President and Sri Yadav, CRB, both are alumni, and the CRB Shah is also fellow of this prestigious Institution of Engineers India and his fellow of Institution of Engineering and Technology UK also. He has a large number of credits, and he has been instrumental to give the developments and new visions to the Indian Railways as in the various capacities, starting from Assistant Electrical Engineer in February 1982. He has an illustrious career in Indian Railways and has worked a key position including those of Additional Divisional Railway Manager, Operations, Delhi Division, Northern Railway, Chief Electrical Engineer, Traction Distribution, Northern Railway, Divisional Railway Manager, that is very coveted DRM, Northern Eastern Railway, Lucknow, and General Manager, South Central Railway before being elevated to the post of Chairman Railway Board on 1st January 2019. He holds immense experience in the fields of project management, general management, industrial policy formulation, foreign collaboration and foreign district investment, management of sector-specific international technical programs and coordination of World Bank and Japan International Cooperation Agency funding. He has held various assignments on deputation also, including that of Executive Director Electrical RVNL, Group General Manager Electrical, DFCCIL Project Director, etc. Under his dynamic leadership, Indian Railways has achieved many milestones, as our respected President mentioned, in introducing reforms aimed at transforming Indian Railways into a vibrant organization. He has given a big push to infrastructure development and capacity creation, increasing railways model share in freight, digitization of various processes and improvement in quality of both freight and passenger services. Recently, the Railway Board has been reorganized on functional lines as part of organizational reforms, and Mr. Vinod Kumar Yadavji has been appointed as the first chairman and chief executive officer of the newly restructured Railway Board from September 2nd, 2020. So apart from this, he has so many achievements to his credit, and it's not possible due to paucity of time to elaborate all his achievements. I am also personally very much known about the recent developments in the Indian Railways under his leadership. For example, during this COVID-19 crisis, he has been instrumental to maintain the air conditioning system in the railway coaches. The temperature must be increased as compared to the earlier temperature of AC systems in the railway coaches, because the air conditioning systems help spread of coronaviruses. So he has done that also. He has been able to solve the problem of migrants from various places in India to their destination. This was a big Herculean task, and under his leadership, all the laborers and economically weaker section people spread in the various parts of the country, they reached their destination. That was really a milestone on his part. And apart from this, he has also tried his best to make distancing in the railway coaches, and earlier people were very much afraid to travel in the Indian Railways in the May-June months. But now people are very much comfortable to travel by the railways, and they are reaching their destination. This is also a big achievement on the part of the Chairman Railway Board and CEO Railway Board, Ministry of Railway. So these are the various examples which have been undertaken under his leadership. I'll not take much time, but I just express my gratitude to the President IAI, who has just repose in faith in me by giving me the responsibility of Secretary and Director in charge from 7th October onwards. I am grateful and thankful to all of you, Mr. Pradeep Chaturvedi, Mr. Dinesh Kumar, Mr. R.M. Rajput, Mr. Mehtab Singh, and Mr. Praveen Kumar Singh, and I am very much known to CRV Sahab. I need his blessings also. I need blessing of all of you to fulfill my new assignment, which has been given by the respected President II. Now I request CRB and CEO Railway Board, Shri Vinod Kumar Sahab, to just start his address, keynote address on this momentous occasion. Thank you, sir.